Hey everyone, MKBHD here. Being a student is tough. Textbooks, tuition, late-night study sessions. But did you know there's a way to make your life easier, especially if you're into coding or tech? Enter the GitHub Student Developer Pack, a massive collection of free software and resources designed to help you learn, build, and grow as a developer. It's like a goldmine of tools and perks, all completely free for students. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the GitHub Student Developer Pack. We're talking about what's included, how to apply, and most importantly, how it can benefit you. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or you're already building your own apps, this pack has something for everyone. Stay tuned, because we're diving deep into the world of free student resources. Let's unlock your potential together. All right, let's get started. So, what exactly is inside this magical GitHub Student Developer Pack? Imagine a treasure chest overflowing with software, services, and resources. That's the GitHub Student Developer Pack in a nutshell. We're talking popular tools like GitHub Pro, which gives you private repositories and advanced features for collaboration. But it doesn't stop there. You get access to cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure, perfect for hosting your projects and learning about cloud computing. Need to design something? Canva is here for all your graphic design needs. Want to build websites? You've got Namecheap for domains and Netlify for hosting. And for those interested in game development, there's even Unity Pro to bring your game ideas to life. The best part? This is just the tip of the iceberg. There are dozens of other tools and resources in the pack, covering everything from data science to machine learning. It's a constantly evolving collection with new additions all the time, so you're always getting the latest and greatest. Before you get too excited and rush to apply, let's make sure you qualify for this awesome pack. The good news is that the eligibility requirements are pretty straightforward. First and foremost, you need to be a student. This includes high school students, college students, and even those enrolled in boot camps or coding academies. Secondly, you need to have an active school-issued email address. This is how GitHub verifies your student status, so it's a crucial part of the application process. Don't worry, we'll cover that in detail later. Finally, you need to be at least 13 years old. That's it. If you tick all these boxes, you're good to go. Now that you know you're eligible, let's move on to the exciting part, the application process. Ready to unlock this treasure trove of developer goodies? The first step is all about proving your student status, and your school email address is the key. This is how GitHub knows you're a legit student, so make sure you have it handy. Head over to the GitHub Student Developer Pack website. You'll see a big, inviting button that says, Get Your Pack. Click on that, and you'll be greeted by the application form. The first thing they'll ask for is your email address. Make sure you enter your school-issued email address here, the one that ends with edu, ac.uk, or your school's specific domain. Why is this so important? Well, GitHub uses your school email to instantly verify your student status. It's the fastest and easiest way to get through the application. Once you've entered your school email, hit that Continue button, and let's move on to the next step. Section 5, Step 2, GitHub, your new coding hub. If you're already familiar with the world of coding, you've probably heard of GitHub. It's like the Facebook for developers, a place to store your code, collaborate with others, and share your projects with the world. Don't worry if you're new to this. Setting up a GitHub account is super easy, and it's a crucial part of accessing the Student Developer Pack. On the application, GitHub will prompt you to sign in or create an account. Choose the option that applies to you. If you're creating a new account, they'll ask for some basic information like your name and a password. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected back to the application. This connection between your GitHub account and the application is what allows you to access all the goodies in the pack later on. See? Easy peasy. Now that you're all set up with GitHub, let's move on to the next step, where you'll provide some additional information to confirm your student status. Section 6, Step 3, Student Proof. Show your ID. All right, almost there. GitHub just needs a little more information to make sure you're a real student. This is where you'll provide some documentation to confirm your enrollment. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. GitHub offers a few different ways to prove you're a student, so you can choose the one that's easiest for you. The most common method is to upload a photo of your student ID. Make sure your name, photo, and expiration date are clearly visible. You can also submit a school transcript, or an official enrollment letter. GitHub is pretty flexible with what they accept, but the key is to make sure your documentation clearly shows your name, school, and current enrollment status. Once you've uploaded your document or provided the necessary information, give everything a final check and click on Submit. Section 7. Step 4. Application Review. Waiting game. Congratulations! You've successfully submitted your application for the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Now comes the hardest part, the waiting game. GitHub will review your application to make sure everything checks out. This usually takes a couple of days, but don't worry, it's well worth the wait. While you're waiting, take some time to explore GitHub. Familiarize yourself with the platform, browse through repositories, and get a feel for this amazing community of developers. You can also start thinking about which tools and resources you're most excited to use. With so many options available, it's a good idea to have a plan in mind. Don't worry, you'll receive an email notification as soon as GitHub makes a decision on your application. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and get ready to unlock a world of possibilities. Section 8. You're approved. Now what? Woohoo! You got the email? Your application for the GitHub Student Developer Pack has been approved. Now the real fun begins. Remember that treasure chest of tools we talked about? It's all yours now. But how do you access all these amazing resources? When you log into your GitHub account, you'll notice a new section called Benefits or GitHub Student Developer Pack. Click on that, and you'll be greeted by a dashboard displaying all the goodies you now have access to. Each offer will have its own Get Access button. Simply click on the button for the tool or service you're interested in, and you'll be redirected to their website. From there, you can follow their instructions to create an account, redeem your free subscription, or start using their services. It's that simple. Section 9. Level up your skills, benefits of the pack. Okay, you have access to all these tools, but how can they actually help you? The GitHub Student Developer Pack isn't just about free stuff, it's about empowering you to learn, build, and grow as a developer. Imagine having access to professional-grade design software like Canva, allowing you to create stunning graphics for your projects. Or picture yourself learning cloud computing on platforms like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure, skills highly sought after in today's job market. Need a domain name for your portfolio website? Namecheap has you covered. Want to build and host your web applications with ease? Netlify is here to help. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The GitHub Student Developer Pack gives you the resources to explore different areas of tech, from game development with Unity Pro to data science with powerful analytics tools. It's like having a backstage pass to the world of tech, all for free. Section 10. Troubleshooting bumps in the road. So you're ready to dive into the GitHub Student Developer Pack, but you've hit a snag. Don't sweat it. Even the most tech-savvy among us encounter bumps in the road. One common issue is application rejection. This can happen for various reasons, like an unclear student ID photo or an invalid school email address. If your application is rejected, don't panic. GitHub usually provides a reason for the rejection, so you know what to fix. Double-check your information, make sure your documents are clear and legible, and resubmit. Another common problem is difficulty accessing a particular offer. Sometimes, third-party providers have their own verification process or specific instructions you need to follow. If you're stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to GitHub support or the specific provider for assistance. They're there to help you make the most of this incredible resource. Section 11. Go get it. Your dev journey starts now. So there you have it. The GitHub Student Developer Pack is a game changer for aspiring developers, offering an incredible suite of tools and resources, all completely free. From learning to code to building your own projects, this pack equips you with everything you need to succeed in the exciting world of tech. We've covered the ins and outs of the application process, highlighted the amazing benefits, and even equipped you with troubleshooting tips to overcome any bumps along the way. Now it's your turn. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Head over to the GitHub Student Developer Pack website, apply today, and unlock a world of possibilities. Your dev journey starts now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.